Student, the next part which I am going to discuss is a very important topic, and that topic is called your life cycle in case of algae. So this is not only in case of algae only, it is also the life cycle is found in case of plant species, or we can say the all the plant species which is found in the earth or in our planet. They shows this type of life cycle. That is already I have told you that the sporophytic life cycle is changed into gametophytic life cycle, and gametophyte is again changed into sporophytic life cycle by alternation, or we can say it is a alternation of generation. Okay, so sometimes the thallus may be represented, or the plant body is represented by gametic form, and the gametic life cycle is come to end or comes to end by formation of gametes, and these gametes are differentiated into male gamete and female gamete, and by a process which is called your fertilization, the male gamete and female gamete, they will fuse with one another and produce a structure which is called your zygote. Okay, and the zygote represent the diploid structure, and that diploid structure will initiate the sporophytic life cycle. Again, the sporophytic life cycle comes to end by formation of spores, and these spores are produced by a special kind of cell division, and which is called your meiosis. Okay, so by meiosis the spores are again converted into haploid, and the spore represent the gametophytic life cycle. Okay, so in this way the life cycle of a plant body is changed into sporophytic structure or sporophytic life cycle, and that phase is come to end with the formation of gamete, and that is called your gametophytic phase, and gametophytic phase is changed into sporophytic by the fusion of these two gametes. Okay, so this is all about the life cycle which is found in case of all types of plants which is found in our nature. Okay, so here I have plotted, or here I have try to explain you, or try to give you the different life cycles which is found in case of algae. Okay, so what I have here written here, that I am going to discuss now. So the sequence of orderly change in growth and development is called life cycle. So life cycle kahaku कहबा पिलाने ना जेतल गोटे sequential order रे तमरो growth और development change होची. Okay, in any organism or in any living organism is called your life cycle. So next point, it consists of a number of distinct morphological and cytological changes during life cycle. Okay, so haploid phase to diploid phase, and it is and vice versa. Okay, so diploid phase can be changed into haploid phase. Okay, so this is all about the life cycle which is only found in case of plants case. Okay, acha. Sorry. So there are 5 types of life cycle found in case of algae. Okay, so what are they? That is your haploentic life cycle, diploentic life cycle, then haplodiploentic life cycle, then haplobiontic life cycle, and diplobiontic life cycle. Okay, so these are the 5 different life cycles which is found in case of algae. So now, dear student, I am going to discuss the that is haplobiontic life cycle, and how it is carried out, and what is the main focus or the main features of this life cycle, or why it is called your haploentic life cycle. So the most common type of life cycle in case of algae is your this type of life cycle, and so the life cycle is diphasic. ओके, डाइफेजिक माने कौन तुम जस्ट एबे बुझी पारियो पिलाने, कहीं ना मुझे तापर दीटा पॉइंट मध्ये करने चे. सो मेक इट द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज योर the phase, that is your the prominent phase is haploid. So it कौन लिखला पिलाने, the prominent phase माने तार entire life cycle रे तमे first of all you will find the gametophytic phase. Okay, and the gametophytic phase is always represented by haploid. So this is your haploid in nature. Next होची तमरो diploid phase, and it is only represented by zygote. Okay, तेन करी तमरो haploentic life cycle रे the entire life cycle टा तुमको देखा जीवो जे, or it will appear as your gametophytic phase, and the diploid phase you will feel, or you can get when there will be the formation of zygote. अच्छा, टिके पिक्चर को पळे आसे पिलाने. So here I have drawn the diagram, so that you can clearly understand the concept. Okay, so first of all the gametophytic phase. So gametophytic phase तमे जानिଛ that is your zoo spore रूप आसीथिबो. So the gametophytic phase, it will ends with by the formation of gametes, that is your male gamete and female gamete. So these gametes will ultimately fuse with one another, and that will form the zygote, and zygote undergo the meiosis and it will form the spores, that is called your zoospore. Okay, ତେଣୁକରି ତମର ଜାଇଗୋଟ ଫର୍ମେସନ ଏଇ ପାର୍ଟଟା ହିଁ ତମର ହେଉଛି ସ୍ପୋରୋଫାଇଟିକ ଫେଜ୍। ଓକେ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ତମକୁ କ୍ଲିୟରଲି ତମେ କେବେ ମାନେ ତମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବନି, କିନ୍ତୁ there will be the formation of sporophytic phase, but it is hidden. Okay, then the zygote is converted into zoospore, जोटा कि तमे asexual spore बोली जानिछो, and then G spore when germinated, or it will on germination it will give you the gametophytic structure. So this is all about the structure, the life cycle, which is called your haploentic life cycle.